Hi again. You know what? This time I want to let my wife start the whole action.
Really? I don't even know if I know what to say. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
And what we cooking today?
One of my favorite food, stuffed green leaves.
Okay, guys. So let's go start prepare the green leaf. It is a delicious food. My wife loves it.
Yes.
And my other daughter Sharon happened to be her favorite food. So the way I'm gonna cook it today, a little bit different. The way she likes it, okay?
It's the whole family approved.
Yeah, the whole family approved. You know, when you have a lot of kids in the house, which is I only have 2, everybody likes it a little bit different. But this time we're gonna do it the way Sharon likes it, okay? So let's go and start. This is the company I'm gonna be using. This is the first time I'm using this company. I usually use different company. And I'm gonna try them today. And I'm gonna let you know if they are good or bad. But looks like it's gonna be good because I like the way they look inside, okay? We're gonna do today with the chicken drumsticks. So I already took them out of the bone. I have like around 17-18 pieces over here. And we're gonna put some meat underneath. Tomatoes, brown rice, and potatoes, and chickpeas. So let's start mashing the chicken. I grounded the chicken legs. So now I'm gonna put the whole onion grounded also. Grounded the onion. You're gonna put it inside together with all the juice and everything, okay? Okay guys, after I put the grounded onion, now I'm gonna put the brown rice. I have 2 cups of brown rice. So let me take the water out. It was sitting in the water for the past 20 minutes. Okay, so 2 cups of brown rice. Add them to the mixture. Okay, now that I add chicken, onion, and brown rice, I'm gonna add salt. But salt, don't put too much because the leaves is brine, so it's a little bit salty itself. Approximately, that's how much salt I'm gonna put for now. And then later on, I'm gonna taste it and see if it's missing. Then I add a little bit more. But for now, it's okay. Then black pepper, approximately. This is how much I'm putting. That's it. Now I'm gonna mix it slowly because you don't want to break the rice either, so you gotta do it slowly. If my mixture is all ready, I'm gonna leave it on the side until I prepare the rest of the stuff. So I chop 4 tomatoes. I'm gonna put it underneath. Okay, now that I put 4 tomatoes inside, I'm gonna put meat inside. I like them big pieces. They always look nicer when they're big. Okay, so you see the meat is with the bones, delicious meat. So I'm gonna put them just like that. Okay, now on top of the meat, I'm gonna put a drop of salt. See, just like that by eye, approximately, and a little bit of black pepper. That's it. Now that we prepare that, now we're gonna start rolling the green leaves. So let's keep it close for now until we're gonna roll the green leaves. As I mentioned, this is the first time I'm using this company. They're looking very, very good. Let's open them up. See? Oh, they look good. See how nice they are? So we're gonna start rolling. Now don't make them too big. They don't look nice when they're too big. They have to look very, very small. Nice and cute. Now as you know, they come different sizes. Big, small. So you put the meat according to the size of the leaves. See how they look? Beautiful. Don't make them too chubby. We rolled everything, but I have to mention this time my wife helped. Imagine how long it would take me to roll this whole thing by myself. So let's go start the fire first, and then we're gonna put them inside the pot. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna start putting them inside the pot right now. Look how beautiful they are. Look how nice they are. Beautiful. Okay, so let's put them inside fix them just like that, all over the place. Looking good?
Looking beautiful.
Yeah. That's a lot of green leaves. Now that I put all the green leaves inside, I'm gonna add young potatoes. You see how tiny they are? Just like this, all over the place. You put them. Look how beautiful this thing looks. Doesn't make you hungry when you see that? Okay, now I'm gonna put 2 cans of chickpeas right on top of this. That's a one good looking food. I'm gonna ask my wife, do you think it's a one good looking food?
Very good looking.
Now I'm gonna take 2 more tomatoes. I put already 4. Make them small pieces like this. Okay, we're gonna blend the 2 tomatoes right now. Now that I blend the tomatoes, I'm gonna pour it all over, okay? Now a drop on top, a drop of salt. Again, that's it. So I'm gonna take the rest of the leaf, whatever the leftover leaves, and cover it on top, just like that. See? Looking good?
Looking good.
Nice leaf. Anyway, this company I used it first time, and I like it. Pretty nice leaf, not too big. There's a few small ones, but you're always gonna find small ones, any companies that you use, which is it's okay. But otherwise it's good. The leaves are nice pieces, you know, so you can try it if you like. It's all done. Let's go cook it. We're gonna let it go at least an hour 45 minutes to 2 hours. So I'll keep you posted and I'm gonna update you once in a while. See you soon. Alright guys, 45 minutes passed by. Just wanna show you how it looks inside. Looking good, look. Nice boiling. So now what I have to do is you gotta shake it. This way it shouldn't get stuck. It's just like this. Make sure it moves. Looking good. We have another an hour and 15 minutes still. Wow, it tastes amazing. How does it smell?
Smells like green
good,
leaves,
huh?
yes.
Yeah. So
We call it green leaves, it's actually grape leaves.
So we should see you soon. Alright guys, an hour and 20 minutes passed by. Just want to check to get with my wife's approval. How's the food going?
Oh my god, looks so good.
One second, let me shake it a little bit. Looking good. How does it smell? Good?
It smells amazing. Can you
Another-
smell it from there?
I can smell it. It smells so good.
Another 40 minutes and we're done, okay? So we'll see you soon. The food is ready. Looking good. That's it. You're gonna take it out right now. Taking all the leaves out right now. Okay, I'm gonna take all the potatoes out because the potato is gonna go right on top. Look at this beauty. Look how nice they look.
Can't wait to try them.
Yeah, especially cooked outside, they don't taste amazing. And guys, the same way you can do it at home, okay? Alright guys, the food is ready. Now we're gonna do the testing. Came out very good, looks amazing, smells delicious. Okay, so you wanna start?
Yes.
Let's go, let's go.
There's so many to choose from.
Yes, I'm gonna take one.
Cheers.
Cheers. Guys,
Wow.
delicious, delicious.
Wow.
And the company with the green leaf, it is real good. They're all firm,
Oh my god, the potato, just try the potato, it's so good.
very tasty, guys. One more, I'm gonna go for one more, okay? Hey guys, you pay attention, I'm using the fork, not my hand. I forgot that I gotta use my hand. The next one,
Wow, potatoes are so delicious.
amazing.
Okay, I'm gonna take a little piece of meat.
I'm gonna try more potatoes. Watch, you just put the fork, it's breaking. See?
The meat melts in your mouth.
Oh wow,
You have to try the meat.
Not good. The potato is amazing.
Wow.
Okay, now to my favorite part. Is the meat. Look, look. Wow,
Right?
delicious. Very, very tasty. Now let me take one with my hand. Another successful food. My wife gonna finish it off while I'm eating.
By saying thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you get notified when we post our recipes, our videos. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. We would really appreciate it. And don't forget to follow our jewelry page and my makeup page.
Yep.
And I think this should be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
It was a pleasure being with you. Stay safe. See you next time. Salute, guys.